Scholars, it's time for math silent celebration. Yes, before we get started, you need your two worksheets. One has corn stalks and number bonds and cars. The other one has geckos and numbers and squares. You also need your pencil. Pause the video to get everything you need. All right, we're going to count the say 10 way. You can do your push-ups. Remember, 10, 1, 11. I'm going to show you the picture, so let's count together. Ready? 10, 1, 11. 10, 2, 12. 10, 3, 13. 10, 4, 14. 10, 5, 15. 10, 6, 16. 10, 7, 17. 10, 8, 18. 10, 9, 19. Last one. 10, 10, 20. Scholars, kiss your brain. All right, let's read our learning goal. I can represent decomposition and composition addition stories to 6 with drawings and equations. Scholars, what does decomposition mean? Yes, taking numbers apart. What does composition mean? Yeah, putting numbers together. So we're going to use addition to break apart numbers and put it together. And we're going to show that or represent that using drawings and equations. Equations is another word for number sentences. All right, let's get started. Scholars, use your fingers to help show this story problem. 4 silly seals were splashing in the water. Can you show me 4 silly seals? Very good. 2 more silly seals came to splash. How many silly seals are splashing in the water? Scholars, can you figure that out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 4 and 2 make 6. Very good. I can also say 4 and count up. 5, 6. Very good, scholars. So we know that it's 6 silly seals. Scholars, I don't know about you, but I love putting magnets on my refrigerator. I like putting them in different designs and playing around with them. Raise your hand if you like to do the same. Yeah, it's really fun. My friend Lynn loves to play with magnets on her refrigerator as well. So let's see the magnets she puts on her refrigerator. Wow, scholars, what do you see? Yeah, you see 2 squares and you see 3 circles. You also see these 2 lighter squares and these 3 dark purple circles. Scholars, we have been using observation to put together our number bonds. So let's put those together. And now we have one group of magnets. Here's our number bond, scholars. How can we tell this story with our number bond? Yes, I can put 3 right here because I have 3 circle magnets. What can I put in this spot right here? Yes, I can put a 2 because I have my 2 square magnets. So 3 and 2 make how many? 5. Show me that with your fingers. 3 and 2 make 5. Very good. Now I'm going to write that in an equation or a number sentence. So 3 plus or 3 joined with 2 make or equals 5. So I wrote 3 plus 2 equals 5, which means 3 and 2 make 5. Very good, scholars. What if we rearrange the magnets? This time we have how many? Yeah, we have 3 squares. And how many circles? Yes, 3 circles. There's our number bond. Let's put them in our number bond. So what are we going to put right here? We're going to put a 3 because we have 3 squares. What are we going to put right here? 3 because we have 3 circles. Very good. So 3 and 3 make how many together? 6, very good, scholars. And I can count each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count up. I can say 3, 4, 5, 6, or I could use my fingers. Those are all great strategies. Now let's put that in our number sentence. 3, let's put that plus sign. So 3 and 3 make or equals 3 and 3 equals 6. Great job, scholars. All right, Maddox loves to play with magnets on his refrigerator too. So let's look at Maddox's magnets. What are the first magnets you see? Yeah, you see 4 blue triangles. What other magnets does he have on his refrigerator? Yeah, we see 2 hexagons, 2 yellow hexagons. And there's our number bond. How can we fill in our number bond? 4, so we're gonna put 4 because we have 4 triangles. What are we gonna write right here? Yeah, we're gonna write a 2 because we have 2 yellow hexagons. So 4 and 2 make how many altogether? Scholars, you can count the shapes, you can count up, or you can use your fingers. So 4 and 2 make 6. Great job, scholars. Let's write our math sentence. 4 and, or 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very good. So the 4 is coming from this part, the 2 is coming from this part, and the 6 is the whole. It's how many we have all together. Very good. Scholars, Maddox changed his magnets around. Let's see what magnets he has now. Whoa, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow hexagons and 1 blue triangle. So let's see how we can put this in the number bond. We have how many hexagons? Yes, 5. How many triangles? 1. So 5 and 1 make 5 and 1 more. I'm going to count up 5, 6. Make 6. Very good. Now let's put that in our number sentence. 5 hexagons and 1 triangle equals 6 shapes. The 5 is coming from here because that's one part. The 1 is coming from here because that's another part. And the 6 is coming from here because that's our whole. We have 6 shapes in total. Very good, scholars. Scholars, let's practice together. All right, let's read our story problem. There are 6 corn stalks. 5 corn stalks are in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's one part. 1 corn stalk is in the second. There's the other stalk. All right, so let's fill in our number bond and our sentence. So we have 6 corn stalks all together. That's our whole. And our first part is what? The 5. 5 corn stalks are in one row. So I'm going to put that right there. And then we have 1 corn stalk in the second row. So I'm going to write a 1 right there. Now let's fill in our number sentence. 6 equals, so 6 equals 5 and 1 more. Great job, scholars. All right, next one. There are 6 cars on the road. How many cars? 6 cars. 2 cars are big. Do you see those big cars? I see this one and this one. And 4 are small. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's fill in our number sentence. The first number we see is 6. So 6 is 2 and 4. So let's write that in. So let's fill that in again without words, but symbols. 6 equals 2 plus 4, or 2 and 4. Can you say that? 6 equals 2 and 4. Very good, scholars. All right. Three geckos have three geckos have black spots, and three geckos have no spots. There are six geckos. How many geckos? Six geckos. So we see three geckos have black spots. That's where we got this three from. Three geckos have no spots. So 3 plus 3 equals how many? Can you count those geckos? Very good, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So 6 equals 3 plus 3. All right, scholars. The next problem, you're going to help draw. I already started my drawing. So it says, there are 6 monkeys. 4 monkeys are swinging in the tree, and 2 monkeys are taking a nap. Draw a picture to go with the story. So Miss Marotta drew a tree, and she's not always good at drawing monkeys, so she drew happy faces for the 4 in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 of them were sleeping. Very good. So I have 6 monkeys. I'm going to fill in my number sentence. So 6 equals 4 monkeys swinging in the tree and 2 that were taking a nap. Let's fill in our number sentence again. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Great, scholars. Now, the last one says, create your own story and tell your partner. Have your partner draw a picture of your story and create a number sentence to go with it. Scholars, because we're not at school, you might not have a partner, so that's okay. You're going to draw your story and tell an adult in your house. Here's my story. Miss Marotta and Miss Keck love llamas. Miss Marotta drew a picture for Miss Keck that had 3 purple llamas on it. Miss Keck drew a picture for Miss Marotta that had 3 very artistic llamas on it. They counted the llamas together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they had made 6 llamas altogether. So my number sentence is 3 plus 3 equals 6. Scholars, it's your turn to come up with your own story drawings and your number sentence to match it. You have 1 minute. Go. All right, 30 seconds, scholars. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't finish, it's okay. You can go back and finish. Scholars, today we practice composition and decomposition. We practice taking numbers apart and putting them together. We showed that in our pictures and our number sentences. So we use pictures and number sentences to represent our composition and our decomposition of numbers. Scholars, you did such a great job today. Kiss your brains. And I'll see you tomorrow for math. Bye.